Hello friends, today I'm making Kaju Katli. For this recipe, start with 1.5 cups of cashews. My tip is to put the cashews in the freezer for 30 minutes before. This will prevent the cashews from releasing their oil while grinding. Make sure to use the pulse mode to grind the cashews into a coarse powder. Sift the cashew powder into a bowl to remove any big pieces and set it aside for later. In a non-stick pan, on low heat, add 3/4 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. Slowly bring the sugar to boil until it reduces and thickens slightly. Let it boil until the sugar is sticky and forms a string when pinched, but make sure it doesn't burn or change color. For softer Kaju Katli, make sure the syrup is not too thick. Add your sifted cashew powder into sugar syrup and stir it constantly. It's okay if there are small bits and pieces. It gives the katli a nice texture. Keep stirring until the mixture starts to form a dough and can be shaped with a wet or oily hand. Let the mixture cool until its temperature is tolerable to your touch. Then transfer the mixture onto wax paper or a countertop or flat surface and knead it well. Before it cools down too much, cover it with another piece of wax paper and roll the dough into a flat 3 to 5 millimeter thick sheet. Brush some ghee on top, then add the edible silver foil on top of that. For a traditional look, first cut parallel lines and then diagonal lines to give it that classic diamond shape. You can serve the Kaju Katli right away or store it in an airtight container for later. Enjoy!